Hi, Sandy with QualityStocks.net. Today is April 8th, 2010. We're taking a look at FNDM. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading under the ticker FNDM. You'll notice first off that it is a little after 10, about quarter after 10. So today's candle is highlighted in green. Stock chart does that, when you're intraday. This is not a live chart, it's a static chart for me to annotate. You can see the volume today is 31,000 shares, just a hair over, which is not actually bad volume for starting the day right out for fun.com. I'll take a look at the overall chart and see what we see, because there's an important thing to note here. Indicators a little bit mixed. Some things looking good, some things not great, but there's some important things to note on this chart. One we're going to call a bottom support level at 46. See where it touched that yesterday, made its move back up. I'd say we're going to be looking at a first resistance level around 60 cents. Right through there, just based on a few different days of hitting it. Not very many. Three actually came down, dipped below it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 times it's hit it. So we'll call that at least a mild resistance level. The thing I want to point out about this chart is what happened right through here. You can see the PPO ADX pinch and the nice move that followed it from a very, very bottom of 63 cents all the way up to almost $2. A couple 100% gains. Nice move. Now what we've got going on right now at this point, you'll notice, let me get my same arrow up there. We'll come right about through. We'll split those days up, leave those candles visible. Notice the similar setup that's coming into play. The PPO ADX pinch is coming back together. Not quite as tight yet as it was before. Start looking at some of the other indicators and their positioning, with the MFIs down low making their turn. A little bit of a difference here is that we're actually seeing a slight uptrend in the short-term MFIs. Same way with accumulation distribution. See the full stow back down on the bottom. Didn't make an curl. It's actually even a little deeper than it was last time. Trix is in almost identical position as last time. Cross through there. It's making the same break. Hopefully we're going to see this Trix make a turn. Again, we want to see this bottom support level hold. MACD, nothing great going on there. Maybe the slightest hint of incline there in the histogram, which is something you always try and look at. That's going to be a very minor incline there, but you're going to be looking for this MACD to try and make a turn. I like the way that the RSIs are actually making a slower roll. See how they're curving a little bit more rather than the sharp bounces. A lot of times you see a lot better move result from a slower curve than you do a sharp bounce. Sharp bounces, like on this down day, it rockets down. Same way when it moves up, you'll see a huge move, over the course of a day or two. They tend to not want to hold quite as well. The slower rolling, gradual turns seem to do a lot better. So you can see this is going to do. This is a relatively low float stock with only about 35 million shares in it in the float. So we're going to see if this can possibly pick up any volume and make a stronger move. Right now I'd just be looking for the move though, because it made this move last time without great volume, and it could very well do it again. You can see volume picks up some on the big up days. Right now we're looking for these candles, possibly some volume to come in. We're looking for that pinch that I just talked about to duplicate itself from back at the end of December last year. This is Andy with QualityStocks.net taking a look at fun.com.